Guys, you're not gonna believe this. What if I told you every infographic you've seen in this video was made just by typing a title? Yup, just the title. Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, after watching this, you'll be able to do it too. Today, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to create stunning, professional-looking infographics using Google Gemini Pro. And the best part? You literally only need the title of the poster. That's it. Step 1, prepare the prompt. So the first thing I do is open my special prompt, which I've already put on my website, link in the description. When you open it, you'll see 3 simple fields. I start by typing in the title, for example, Animal Metamorphosis. After that, I fill in the target, which is super important because Gemini will design the style based on the audience I choose, for example, elementary school students. And then I choose the aspect ratio, and for this demo, I'm going with 4:5. Once everything's filled in, all I have to do is copy the entire prompt, move over to Google Gemini, paste it there, hit send, and Gemini instantly generates a polished, ready-to-use prompt for creating the infographic image. Now that Gemini has given me the prompt, I simply copy it again and paste it right back into the chat. But before sending it, I remove the very first sentence, so the prompt starts directly with the word create. After that, I just send it and wait a few seconds, and just like magic, the infographic appears. Clean, beautiful, and totally ready to use. And remember, the only thing I actually typed myself was the title. Step 3, try creating another infographic. To show how flexible this method is, I try making another infographic. This time, I set the theme to 5 richest people in the world, the target to a general audience, and keep the aspect ratio at 4:5. I follow the same flow as before, and within moments, the infographic appears with a completely different design, but still super professional. So yeah, imagine creating unlimited infographics for school, work, content creation, all with just one prompt and one title. Crazy simple, crazy powerful. If this blew your mind even a little, hit like, share this with your friends, and try it yourself.